Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view EM client files and folders. Let's start by downloading PC.CM Client Emails Viewer on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab and see the list, Software Support Many Email Client and File Format. Now, go to the Open tab and choose EM Client Accounts option. If you have EM Client email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured EM Client Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a Folder option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now, tap on the EM Client email mailbox for the data preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required EM Client folder. It's fantastic that you can see the email content and other details such as email properties, signature, sender information and more. If that EM Client mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The next important feature provided by the tool is that you can see the Message Header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this EM Client viewer, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. The solution also provides the view of raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.